Hello friends, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to give a review about this Aptimust syrup. In this video, we will get to know about how to use this correctly, how many doses you should take, and then we will also discuss about its side effects if you take Aptimust syrup, and what are the precautions you should take while taking this Aptimust syrup. So usually this Aptimust syrup is taken to increase the hunger or appetite of a person. This is taken by the person who has lost their weight gradually. The person who are very slim or thin takes this syrup so that they can feel more hunger and have their meal properly and gain their weight. But guys, let's clear one thing, that this Aptimust syrup doesn't gain your weight easily, but this syrup can increase your meal intake, and by that process it will help you gain your weight slowly. In this Aptimust syrup, it has got cyproheptadine. Cyproheptadine is an antihistamine which is used for allergic condition. Cyproheptadine is currently clinically used as an appetite stimulant for children with failure to thrive without underlying organic disease. Doctors also recommend Aptimust syrup for if you have sneezes, runny nose, watery eyes, itchiness, all those caused by allergies. Sometimes this is also used if you have mild fever. And whenever you take this syrup, you will have good sleep for a longer period of time. So sometimes doctors also might recommend this syrup if you can't have enough sleep due to allergic problems. This Aptimust syrup is discovered by Mankind Pharma Force Lab. This syrup contains composition of cyproheptadine 25 mg plus tricholine citrate, that is 275 mg, plus sorbitol solution, that is 2 gram. So guys, next let's get to know how we should take Aptimust syrup and how many doses are recommended to take. So you can take Aptimust syrup before having your meal or after having meal. If you are taking Aptimust syrup to increase your appetite, then you must take this syrup 30 minutes before taking your meal, or otherwise it can be taken after taking meal also. There is no issues on that. And for adults, the recommended dose is 10 ml, and for children 5 ml twice a day is recommended, or it depends according to your illness. That is why before taking this syrup you must first take the advice from your doctor. Now we will also get to know what are the side effects we can face if we take Aptimust syrup. So the very first side effects you can face while taking Aptimust syrup is you will feel drowsiness or sedation. Drowsiness or sedation will make you sleep for over a long period of hours, and this is the common side effects caused with Aptimust syrup. So I would suggest you that do not take this syrup during the day, otherwise you will feel constant sedation. So you should take this syrup in the evening or after dinner. And then the second side effect you might face is you can feel tiredness, headaches and body ache. So if you face so, then please consult your doctor for better advice. And also, if you are a working person or if your child is going to school, then you should give him in the evening only. Now let's talk about what are the precautions you must take while taking Aptimust syrup. So while taking Aptimust syrup, a person should not take any hard drinks like wine or beer. And then you should not drive a car or bike while taking this syrup, because this syrup can decline the alertness of your mind. The third precaution is a breastfeeding woman should also not take Aptimust syrup, and if you are a pregnant woman, you must first take the advice from your doctor before taking it. So friends, that is it all about my review of Aptimust syrup. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also share with your family and friends, and please consider to subscribe to my channel because I come up with lots of videos like this. So thank you so much for watching. Take care.